Online forms often require strict image sizes and dimensions. This tool easily formats your files to meet those exact requirements. First, open your browser and search for Cariatrix.com. Click on the official website link to access the platform. Once you are on the Cariatrix homepage, navigate to the Form Fit application and click the Launch Tool button. On the Form Fit page, switch to the Resize Document tab at the top. Under the Document Settings section, click Choose File to upload your picture or document. If you only need to reduce the file size without changing the dimensions, simply enter your desired limit, for example, 50, into the target file size box. Click the Resize and Compress button. In the result preview, you will see your optimized image. From here, you can download it as a standard image by clicking Download Page JPG, or instantly convert it to a PDF by clicking Download Total PDF. To resize the image to specific dimensions, you can change the measurement unit. For example, select centimeters, cm, from the drop-down menu, then enter your required measurements, such as 3.5 for width and 4.5 for height. By default, the Lock Aspect Ratio, Scale, box is checked. If you need precise control over the cropping area, uncheck this box and freely adjust the crop box over your image. Enter your maximum file size in the target file size box, such as 100, and click Resize and Compress to process the updated image. Form Fit also seamlessly handles multi-page PDF files. Click Choose File to upload a PDF. Once loaded, use the Preview and Next buttons in the workspace to navigate through the document's pages. If you need to remove a specific page, simply navigate to it and click the Delete Page button. To compress the entire document, enter your desired file size limit into the Total PDF target size field, for instance, 500, and click Resize and Compress. When saving your final PDF, pay attention to the download options. Clicking the Download Page JPG button will extract and save only the single page currently visible in the preview window. To download the complete, newly compressed document, you must click the Download Total PDF button. That's it for now, and always keep learning.